Okay, so the first thing is just folders, and I didn't have this animated to where it's actually going to pop up one thing at a time. So I'm just going to kind of talk through it. First thing I recommend, make a folder for the given year. Whether you call it your specific content topic or you call it like this year, 2020, 21, I would put a date on it. Second folder that you want to have would be a sandbox. This is the place where you can put whatever those things are that you're playing with, that you're kind of playing around with. It's not quite ready for sharing out. So the sandbox concept just gives you a place to labeling it sandbox or labeling the folder sandbox lets you know that it's a play place. It's something that you can kind of continue to come back to, and it's not necessarily a permanent concept, just like a kid's sandbox. You could also create a folder based on content topic, and I'll show a sample of my Google Drive in just 1 second here. So you can kind of see what I'm talking about with some of this. And then finally, subfolders. Those go within those listed folders above just to kind of help you connect specific items that are going to be useful to you. The other tip I want to share out here is hashtags. They are hashtag easy to find, hashtag helpful to students, and hashtag helpful to you. Put a hashtag on the end of your title of your document, your slide, your sheet, whatever it might be, makes it easier to find. So for example, I am finishing up Unit 10, and I share out note sheets with students where they have the option to do it, and they are tagged hashtag NEI10, NEI10. That way, if students have a disorganized Google Drive, like most of us do, they can at least hopefully find those. And let's take a look at what that looks like. Drag this Google Drive folder in. So here's my drive. You can see I have different folders. And so I have a sandbox. I call it NEWAME Sandbox. I have a folder called NEWAME Social Studies 7. I talked about subfolders. Within here, it goes unit by unit. You can see we're doing a Q4 project, so I even titled that folder hashtag NEQ4 project. I want to find the work that my kids are doing. Every assignment, even from students, that has that hashtag on it. So I can actually see where students are working on things, even if they didn't properly follow the directions and rename it. Like it should be period 4, group 3. These ones that just say copy of, I can still figure out whose they are. That's what I got for you on that one.